All right, let's wash something. All right, well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today we got to do a little bit of unboxing slash review slash wash something. My last pressure washer was a small one like this, Greenworks, and that worked very well. And I mean, I used to run hot water through it, and I believe that's what killed it. Just didn't want to shut off. So, of course, I took it apart and couldn't do nothing with it, so in the trash it went. Matter of fact, it's in the junk pile of the truck. So, let's see what we got here. Got the instructions, wand, extension. I got to put it together. Got ourselves a dashboard, handle. Don't need that right away. I got hosed. Hose holder. Hey, green wheel. There's the main body. Another wheel. Feel like the Hulk. All right. I like these little electric ones because I could just roll them out, hook the hose to it, right? Hook the hose to it, hit the button, and we're going. Plus, you don't have to listen to all that noise of the gas engine. Now, the gas engine is a stronger one. It's a 2700, I think, PSI. This one's an 1800. My last one was only a 16 or 15 or 16. And it does well. So I'll cut you off here. I'll put this together, and we'll fire it up. Fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. All right, let's set her on the ground here. Plug some water into it and give her a try. Not too shabby. She's a little moldy, dirty. They got the water hooked up to it. Just getting all the air out right now. I gotta plug it in yet. Let me make sure it's turned off. I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, all plugged in. Look at that. The swirly gig. That's called the turbo. We're gonna see how that works with these let's see. Pressure. Oh yeah. All right, let's wash something. Okay, I got the super clean. Let's give her a quick washing. that soak in a while. Now, granted, I could have just got rags and wiped it all down, but I'm lazy. I'm going to use the power of the sunlight to dry it. It'll be fine. Got an extra toothbrush I had laying around. I'm not going to hit it hard with the pressure. I'll just put a light, rinse it all down here a little bit, and then go give it another scrubbing. Okay, that's that. Now we'll rinse it off, set it in the sun. Alrighty then. Try to keep the cardboard. So we'll let that out in the sunlight. All that mold off of there. If I missed any spots, I can always just touch it up. So that'll be fine. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.